From the long list of Telegram bots, we have picked up the 3 best Telegram bots to use. First, Gmail bot. This one is useful for power Gmail users. With the official Gmail bot, you can receive, send, and reply to emails without ever leaving the Telegram interface. Simply search for @gmailbot in the search bar and hit the start button to start the conversation. Second, file to bot. Telegram allows you to send up to 2 GB of files in a chat. File to bot allows you to save files in the cloud in different categories. A link to a specific file can also be created for others to download. Anyone with the link can view and download the stored file from Telegram. Third, Get Media Bot. As the name suggests, this one allows you to download any kind of media from the web. Users can download music, videos, select lyrics, download an Instagram story, and more. One can also go ahead and use this bot to download Twitter and YouTube videos right inside the Telegram app. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next video.